my name is Mara Burnett, and I'm an attorney at the Mandell Law Firm, and I'm here to talk to you today about auto insurance. This short video is not intended to be a complete list of the type of insurance coverages available, nor is it intended to act as legal advice. My job is to just familiarize yourself with kinds of insurance that are available to you in order to protect your interests. Liability coverage for personal injury is coverage that's intended to protect you if you injure another person in a car accident. It's good to get high limits because that will protect your assets from a judgment from a third party. Liability for property damage protects damage to the other person's car, and as we all know, cars are very expensive nowadays, so it's also good to get high limits for that as well. Uninsured motorist is one of the most important coverages you can get. That protects you from uninsured motorists and hit-and-run drivers. As we all know, California requires you to have a California minimum of $15,000 per person and $30,000 per accident, but that is very often not enough to cover all the damages, expenses, and medical bills for an injury to yourself. So again, it's very inexpensive to buy uninsured motorist, and it's well worth it to cover your out-of-pocket expenses. A lot of my clients think that if they use their own insurance, that it will increase their premiums. Uninsured motorist will not increase your premiums if the accident was not your fault. Underinsured motorist is another type of coverage. Because California only requires a $15,000 policy per person and $30,000 per accident, very often there's not enough to go around to protect you for your injuries. If you get a higher limit for underinsured motorists, that means there's additional money to protect you in case you are injured. Collision coverage is the type of insurance coverage that covers your car in the case of an accident. Be aware, however, that most insurance companies will only pay for the fair market value of your vehicle if it's totaled, or the reasonable repair cost if the vehicle is not totaled. Comprehensive coverage is the kind of coverage that covers your vehicle for random acts such as weather events, theft, a tree falling on your car, hitting an animal in the road. This is also good to have because no one likes to be without their vehicle. MedPay insurance coverage is the type of insurance coverage that pays for medical bills for yourself, your passengers, or anyone that may have been injured in the accident. It's always good to have medical coverage to pay for these bills in case there's a dispute about liability. Rental coverage. Very often it takes some time for the insurance companies to work out who's at fault for an accident. If you have rental insurance coverage, the insurance companies will pay for your car, your rental, while your vehicle is being repaired. Finally, gap insurance. Gap insurance is usually purchased when you buy your vehicle. As we all know, cars depreciate very quickly after they're purchased, so an insurance settlement could only cover the amount of the fair market value as it was depreciated and may not cover the full amount of the loan that you owe the bank. So gap insurance is intended to make up that difference and protect you so that you don't have to put money out of pocket. Again, this is not a full discussion of your rights under your insurance policy. Obviously, the terms of your policy will govern what they will pay. I encourage you to take a few minutes to look over your insurance policy and discuss the coverages that you have with your agent. I want to make sure you have the right coverage.